Uh, Hi everyone, this is Jianpeng Zhang, and now is the time to do question 2 for homework 5 in probability and stochastic process. So in question 2, we have got given given the PDF of x and y equals to a over y squared and x, and for y more than 1 and x less than y and more than 1 over y. So the first question is need to us to draw the non-zero definition region of f, x, and y. So we draw like this. This is x, this is y, because x is more than, and this is the y minus 1 over y, and this is a line of y equals to x. So we have seen that the x is lower than y, so it's this, and greater than 1 over y, so it's this. And also we have seen that y is more than 1. So in this shadow, it is what we need. Okay, it's very easy. And in the second question, we need to find an a so that fxy is a valid density function. Valid joint density function. So, and whenever we need to figure out what is the valid density function, is always we use the integration of all the area of x and y, effective x and y of the area. We got the integration should be 1. So we have read in this function, and we put this like this. And using the shadow, we're gonna make an integration, and the edge, the boundary is from, for y is from the, the boundary for x first is from the 1 over y to y, and for y is 1 to infinity. And after all this integration, we have found that 2 plus 2 times a equals to 1, so a is equal to 1 over 2. And it's also very easy. And in the third question, we need to find and draw the density function of fx and fy. The marginal. The marginal density function is easier to make by integration of the one random variability. So we're gonna use this joint PDF function plus dy and integration about the random variable of y. So we'll have the function of x, the PDF function. So also it's simple. Using this integration, we're gonna have fx equals to 1 over 2 plus 2 times x. And it is similar that we can get the PDF of y equals to the integration from infinity to infinity of the joint PDF function by integration with x. So after all that calculation, we can easily have that fy equals to line y over y squared. And we draw this function like this because 1 over x is a reverse function of y equals to x, so it's drawn like this. And also we need to attention that because x is more than 1 over y, so x is must more than 1. So x is must more than 0. So there's only one side. And also for this kind of line, with the help of MATLAB, and we can draw in like this. You can also use the differential function to see where the function is increasing, where it is decreasing. And I just use MATLAB to make it easier. And we draw like this. Also, it's only one side because y is more than 1. Okay, and it is symbol that for the first question. And the first question, we need to verify if the PDF of x and y are both valid density functions. It is similar to the question 2 that we need to get an integration from the minus infinity to infinity, and to see whether the integration equals to 1. And firstly, we need to figure out the integration of x. And after the calculation, we found that the integration is equals to 1/2 times line x, and this is always more than 0. So f(x)(x) is not valid. And after integration of f of y, and we can find that the integration is just equals to 1. If you want to calculate this kind of integration, you can calculate by part. And so the first question is that the PDF of x is not valid, but the PDF of y is valid. Okay, so this is all question about problem 2. Thank you.